is Rachel, and I am part of the Teen Library Advisory Board, or TLAB. Today I'm going to teach you how to jazz up your boring notebooks for back to school. This is the second video in this mini-series, so if you haven't already, go check out Abigail's video where she collaged journal covers. The materials you'll need are a notebook, a piece of construction paper, your favorite images or inspirational quotes, a subject paper, a small piece of printer paper, tape, and scissors. First, you'll need a theme for your notebook. You can theme your notebooks to match the subjects they are for, or you can also make the theme of your notebooks a season, sport, color, or anything else that interests you. The theme for this notebook is English themed, since this is my English notebook, and I decided to print out a picture of some books, as well as my favorite English themed quirky quotes. This is just an example though, so feel free to be creative and have fun. Now without further ado, let's get started. To start, take your construction paper and tape it onto the cover of your notebook with pieces of rolled tape. Trim the excess paper off with a pair of scissors. Then lay out your images and subject paper pieces before taping them down. Next, take your small piece of printer paper and tape it onto the inside front cover of your notebook. Use this space to write your name, teacher, and room number for each subject. And voila! Beautiful notebooks that will keep you excited to take notes. You can laminate your notebook with pieces of clear masking tape if you'd like, but it is not required. Repeat with as many notebooks as you'd like. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to check out the link below to watch Abigail collage journal covers. And follow us on Instagram, @Palo Library and @Palo TLAB.